Hello, teacher. I live in a neighborhood in the Comas district near Tupac Amaru Avenue. In my neighborhood, there are many stores, chifa, rotisserie chicken restaurants, a nice small park, and a school near my house. There are a lot of trees in my neighborhood. There is no grass, and the best place is the nice small park to have on. In addition to the nearby chicken restaurant, being in the park is really relaxing.